Hello, so this is my prime number algorithm. So we start with the first test case of -1, which the tester catches the error that n has to be a positive integer. And the same thing happens when n is 0, and the same thing happens when n is 1, since 1 is not a prime number. Then the next test case is the number 2, which returns our message. The prime numbers that are below 2 are 2. Then the next test case is the number 10, um, which again shows the message and the prime numbers at or below 10. Then our next test case is the number 53, which returns the list. And then our next test case is the number 100, which shows the list and all the prime numbers at or below 100. And then our last test case is the number 200, which shows our message and all the prime numbers at or below 200.